Welcome back to my channel once again, guys. So today let's go and give a tour to this particular popular street in Awka that everybody knows. Welcome to Abak Street in Awka. Abak Street is one of the popular streets you can find in Awka, the capital of Anambra State. Abak Street holds the major clubs and hotel. When you talk about Awka, and they are the only street that stays till dawn in Awka. As of 2019 and 2020, when I was still in Awka in Anambra State, I used to tour this arena very well. I used to tour all these places. That's how I found out that it stays till dawn. I've stayed here for once when I visited with one of my friends. We came to fix some certain things to one of the club that been newly built in that year. So we visited, and it happens that we spend the night over here, and we witness everything by ourselves. So I found out that it stays till dawn. It stays from night till morning. That is how this location is like. So a lot of things is happening in this area. It holds the bigger clubs you can think of, some major hotels you can think of, ranging from the clubs they call the big ballers, where university students come to have some fun and the rest of them. So before I proceed, I started this by exploring or touring from Ngozika Estate. I wanted to give a little tour of the Ngozika Estate, but I just decided not to, because I was not in the mood of answering any question. Maybe who asks you to video, why are you videoing, who order you, all those kind of questions. So I decided to avoid the Ngozika Estate and take a bypass. So I started it from the Ngozika bypass, take that street down to the roundabout and the rest, and I could not access any other link up street within that club street, because this is not only the place that is being called Abak Street. There's other major streets where you can find residential building of students and the rest of them. So but out of time, I could not be able to access all those areas. So it is very wide. The place is big. Where you can find the called Abak Street is very big, though it has been converted to Club Street. I'm just calling it Abak Street so you know where we are talking about. Not everyone knows it for now as Club Street. It has been changed by the new government of Anambra State to Club Street, but it was previously called Abak Street. So it has many other streets apart from this major road that I'm touring right now. So, and the people that dominated this area majorly are students. The Nnamdi Azikiwe University students are majorly the people that dominate this area. So that's why most hotels and clubs here get customers a lot. So this area are majorly student area, and one past grade I want to talk about here is that staying from night to morning till dawn. Like, you can go anywhere within Awka, you can find what you will find here. Like, anywhere in Awka, sleeps around 8, sleeps around 9 or 10, but here stays till dawn. That's one thing I know about this place. But over the years, there has been a kind of insecurity issues that has been lingering up and down within the city, and I decided to go back to check it out if this place is actually what it used to be before. And I begin to notice maybe a lot have changed. It's not what it used to be before again, though I don't know if they stayed from morning till dawn, or maybe from night to around 12 a.m. or so. But I don't know if it's if the whole thing is still the way it is before, because I know back then, if you come here around 8, people are moving around, people are bubbling. 10, 11, 12 a.m., 1 a.m., things are still happening. Even up to 3 a.m. in the morning, people are still moving around, things are still bubbling. But I don't know if it is still the same up to now, because of little insecurity issues that's currently going on in the state. So that's one of the past glory that I wanted to talk about. Talking about the past glory, this place is most bustling street you can think of in Awka. that year until now. So now it has been converted to Club Street, no longer Abakaliki Street. So if you check out the signboard within this area, you can see that everywhere has been changed to Club Street, no longer Abakaliki Street. So this place is very nice. It's a little bit cool and calm, as you can see in my video. Not everywhere is cool and calm. That of if you access the Abakaliki Street from Regina, it's not that quite cool and calm. Though I didn't mean like it's not it's insecure or something, but you can notice a lot of noise. But if you access it from this Ngozika estate, we notice that it's quite calm. It's a very calm environment within that arena side. Then you can also access it from Unizik Junction. It has many link up streets. You can access it from Water Junction. It has many streets that you can access it from. So it depends on the one that is very closer to you. That is just it. So the street is very okay. It's very nice. I think things are still happening, but not like before. It has many clubs. It hosts many clubs and many hotels, ranging from the popular clubs you can think of, which they call big ballers. I also captured them in my video, which I don't know by now you might have watched them or you might not have seen them. So it hosts big baller and many other big clubs and hotel along the road. So this is called the Abakaliki Street in Awka. You can go and check it out and see for yourself what it looks like. Like I said earlier, you can access the place from Regina. You can access it from Unizik Junction. You can as well access this place from the Ngozika Estate in Awka, Anambra State. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do us a favor. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. Click on the share button to get to a wider audience. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's very important to us. So if you have any other question to ask us about this particular street, which I did not include in this video, kindly drop them via our comment section. And if you have any other contrary opinion about the street, do also drop them via our comment section. If you have any other contribution to make about the street, which we do not also talk about, drop them via the comment section also. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Till we meet again. Peace out.